how do we add up the Fibonacci numbers that we put in cards? Well, we have a new plugin, and you'll see it right up here. It is called something by Corello. So let's go take a look. It's Agile Tools. So when you click on Power Ups over here, what you want to do is take a look and see what's enabled. This team already enabled the Agile Tools for Corello. If you don't see it, start searching for Fibonacci. Type Fib, you'll see this result. If I were to go up here, it'll be right here. I click on it, and then I go through installing it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to another board in a moment and show you the full install thing. But once it's installed, then you simply click here. You do your Fibonacci numbers and all the stuff, and theoretically, you're going to put all these in here and find rhythm per song, and let's just give that a number. So I come down here, I click story points, and let's give it a 5, and then I come back out of it. Cool. Now, this one right here, 3 different, okay, that's cool. Let's give that a number. Now, obviously the team is going to figure out, let's give it an 8. Yeah, sure, why not? So you go through and you Fibonacci number all these things. You should prioritize them in order of things that need to be accomplished. Prioritize can also be the order of events that you need to do. Then when you click here, we look for the current scrum, and 92 would be the points we put at the top of our burn down chart on our opening day, the first day, which is the far left column on the burn down chart. Then every day, what you're doing is you're going to say, okay, today I think we can work on these. And you go about working, then the bell rings, you go away, you come back 23 hours, you click here, and well, you see your team says, well, yep, we got these done. Let's put them over here. And now we're going to load up some new ones. And you come up here and you look, now we're down to 70. So the next column to the right in the burn down chart will have 70 at the top. That's how this works. So again, you just have everything here, put things in the working column, get going, start working your stuff. So the stand-up meeting at the beginning of the day is really about what needs to go in here. Well, actually, I'm sorry. Well, it depends on what day. If you're starting off, you put things in progress and then you get to work. If it's the second or third or whatever day down the road, you see what got done. If somebody's stalled out, if they can't get a particular thing to work, your team needs to decide, do we want to keep working on that? Do we want to throw it back in the backlog? Is it something that's too big for us to chomp into? Do we want to have people help each other out? Again, if somebody's stuck on a card and it's not moving forward, talk to each other, see what you need to do to get help, and so on and so forth. Okay, so a simple overview. Now let me go in and I'm going to activate. I'm just going to pick a board that I'm using for other things. And I'm going to click on the 3 dots, and this is how you activate the Corello tool. So I'm going to come down here, I click on Power Ups, and I'm going to search for Fibonacci numbers. There it is, story points for Trello. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's a different one. That's the one that we seem to have some issues with getting things to work. We're going to click on Add this. Okay, we click Add. It's going to take us through the setup. Yes, we want story points. We're going to leave this just the way it is. It should default to Fibonacci numbers. I click Next. No, we don't need these right now. We'll just leave those alone. Click Next, click Next. No, we don't want any of that stuff. No, I don't want to try free stuff. And then we're good to go. And it should be on the board. So what I do is I'll take a card, do something, and I'm going to click here. I come down to story points, and I click one of the Fibonacci numbers, and now that number's there. And when I click up here on this tool, I can see that in my to-do column, I have 3 points. And yeah, and this board, I guess I don't have the current Scrum. This is a different project for our nonprofit. So we don't have a current Scrum or Sprint column. But anyway, I think you get the idea of how to activate that. And good luck, have fun, and thanks for watching.